Good morning, students. Today we are again back with a very exciting and very interesting activity. Okay, in this chapter I have explained you about the chapter which is about chapter number 8. In that I have explained you about air and water. Your air topic has been clear to everyone. Is everyone clear? Air topic. Now we are going to start with water. Most of water, everyone knows what is water. Okay, because this thing you know you need for your day-to-day life, है ना? Everyone needs water. Can you survive without water? In how many forms are you able to see there? Yes, Zara? 3. Yes. Which is the first form? Yes, Radhya? Liquid. Liquid. Second? Yes. Gaseous. And one more?
Yes, solid.
Very good. It's a solid. Okay. There are total 3 forms. Solid, liquid and gaseous one. These 3 forms you have studied in your last year also in your 2nd standard. But did you have done any experiment? Have you seen your solid form? What is a solid form of water? What is this? Ice. Okay. This is ice. It's a solid form of water. Now this ice, I'm going to melt it and it will change into which form you will see first. Now I'll put this ice in this glass. Now this ice is started changing into which form? Into which form?
Liquid.
Why? Liquid form. First it was the ice was in freezing point. Okay, when we put this ice in the fridge, it freezes out. Okay, the process was of freezing. The ice was the process of freezing. After freezing, I had taken out that ice in the bowl. I had taken this ice from the bowl. Now this ice I have put in this glass and it has come into melting form. Melting यानी पिघलने लगा है. Okay, now it has been changed into liquid form. कौन से form में हो गया ये? From freezing point it came into melting point. यानी this ice was solid. Now it has been changed into liquid form. Clear, everyone? Now see one more thing. Now this liquid I'll pour in this machine, steam machine. And now what I'll do? I'll heat it. Solid into liquid. Now this liquid is being heating. First it was freezing point, then it came into melting point, and now I started into heating it. What will happen? You'll see something. Something will start coming. Now I have poured the water in this steamer machine and the water is being now started heating. Freezing, melting, and now it has been started heating. What is coming out of this steamer machine? What? Water vapor. Okay, means some gas is coming out. When this water after heating is been converted into water vapor. Here the water level will decrease and the water vapor will start coming out. यही water heating करने के बाद it starts converted into gas. Okay, this water starts being converted into gaseous form. That's why this was solid, liquid and gas. Okay, these were the 3 forms of water. Are you able to see this gas? It has been converted in. It has been converting into gaseous form. Are you able to see? Clear even the 3 forms of water? Okay. This is which form? This is which form? And this is which form? Gaseous. And this gaseous